everyone, I'm Nadia, who will open this presentation. I'm here to introduce our team innovative project called Dermawan, application to detect skin disease by image. Before that, our team consists of 7 dedicated members. The first one was machine learning team, consists of myself, Nadia Syaitatus, Rifdana Siwatul, and Soekarno Putra. Then the cloud computing team consists of Sauki Jazuli and Adiatma Kevin. And the last one was mobile development team, consists with Abraham Danar and Muhammad Nabil. Now, let's jump to the Dermawan.
Okay, in the first part, I will explain about the background of the Dermawan application. This slide shows the data that non-communicable skin diseases, especially dermatitis, are a major concern. However, infectious diseases such as fungal and parasitic infections also require serious preventive measures to reduce the number of cases in the future. Then, according to the Central Statistic Agency or PPS, most health workers tend to be concentrated in urban areas, especially the capital city, while remote and inland areas still lack medical personnel. Therefore, our team deployed the Dermawan application to detect skin disease utilizing machine learning using image. Dermawan has 8 classes of disease types including cellulitis and impetigo caused by bacteria, outlet foot, nail fungus and ringworm caused by fungus, cutaneous larva migrans caused by parasites, and chickenpox and shingles caused by virus.
This is the reason why we built Dermawan app. Many articles pointing out the disparity of facilities in the region, Dermawan focused on addressing the limited access to dermatologists as well as the lack of education on the symptoms of skin diseases and their causes. Why skin diseases? Skin diseases are common, but access to care is often limited, especially in rural area. By using technology, we aim to make early detection tools that more accessible to everyone. And what issue we want to handle? It's about accessibility issues for people to seek treatment and lack of awareness about the dangers of skin diseases. Next one is existing result. Have there been any study on skin disease detection? Yes, there are several studies that focus on skin disease detection apps, especially those on the facial skin, and some of them are general in nature. However, most of these studies do not specifically target rural communities that have limited access to healthcare. This is the differentiator for Dermawan, which is specifically aimed at helping people in remote area. In addition, Dermawan has additional features such as skin disease news, description of skin disease, and description of the causes of skin disease.
Okay, thank you, Nadia. Next, let me share our plan for implementation development. Okay.
The tools used by machine learning include Python, TensorFlow, Kaggle, and VS Code.
Step involved in building and deploying the model. Collection data, we gather skin disease dataset from Kaggle and other reliable source. Processing data, the data was cleaned, labeled, and provided to training to ensure consistency. The main dataset we use to the data training and testing dataset. Accurate model, we designate the model using the convolution neural network CNN, which are ideal for image classification text. Okay, next slide. Training model using TensorFlow. We train the model to identification skin disease equally. Evaluation and visualization the model performance was is accurate and loss graphic. Helping was defined to execute this model image prediction. Finally, the model was tested with tools that validate its prediction. This enter workflow and secure that the machine learning model we implement that is accurate, reliable, and ready for real forecast. Alright, that's it for my part for now. Is pass it over to my team. Sauki to continue with the next slide. Take it away, Sauki.
This slide explains the tool used in cloud computing. Python for backend development, Flex for API management, Google Cloud Storage for secure file storage, and Postman for API testing, ensuring smooth functionality and user experience. The workflow starts with user uploading image processed by a Python backend on Cloud Files are securely saved in cloud storage with deployment managed via Docker, CloudWheel, and Artifact Registry for scalability and reliability. Our architecture is designed to handle image upload from the front end efficiently. The uploaded image are sent to Cloud where the backend process them and perform disease prediction. The prediction results are then returned to the user. Additionally, all uploaded images are stored in Google Cloud Storage and their link are saved for further reference.
In mobile development, the tools that we use is Android Studio and the language is Kotlin. Now I will explain the mobile architecture. In the mobile architecture, we have UI layer, and then we have domain layer. That the function is provides business logic through operation managed by use case. And then we have a data layer. That's the function is supplies data from external or API. And then we have a dependency injection. that's injecting our dependencies for view model, use case, and API client. And then we have a networking layer. And then we have utilities. That's 2 minutes email files for uploads. And the last one is testing. That we have unit testing for view model and use case. Now let's take a look closer at the result.
Login display. The Dermawan login page includes several features designed for simplicity and usability. It has full-frame email and password input, along with an option to toggle password visibility. Remember me, check profile allows user to stay logged in while a forgot password link help with the password recovery. Sign up display. The Dermawan sign up page includes essential feature for account creation. It provides input field for full name, email, address, password, and confirm password. Application feature. Number 1, the Dermawan dashboard feature an image upload area with the kindness button for skin disease analysis. Up drop-down menu provide disease and reason. Number 2, the information help page contains several health-related news articles that can be used as a source of information. Number 3, the history page will display the result previously diagnosed skin disease from the dashboard page. Number 3, the profile page display edit profile, settings, support, about app, and the user name at the top. News update. The information help page display news that will directly link to the news website. There are various news, the article covering a wide range of topics in the world of health. This feature is designed to provide health information that can be easily accessed by users. This article help users understand various types of skin problems, their causes, and how to prevent them. Portfolio section on the dashboard page. This article features the list of disease and the list of virus. Number 1, on the disease page, it will display 8 disease and trace along with the explanation about the disease, its symptoms and causes. Number 2, on the reason page, it will display 4 types of virus or bacteria along with the explanation and the types of this virus. Then this is portfolio number 1 until portfolio number 5.
The next section is the documentation of each path. Machine learning path using CNN model with 76% accuracy. We train the model for 70 epochs with a stable graph and get the correct prediction results.
Now the cloud computing documentation section. Here we use several Google Cloud Platform service consisting of Cloud Run to integrate commands from mobile and cloud storage to storage user needs prediction search result. There we can be seen the graph at what time the service in use.
And mobile development documentation. The image showcase documentation for Dermawan, a mobile development project created using Android Studio. Key feature include a login screen with Google Auth integration, a list of disease displaying categorized skin disease information with thumbnails, and an image upload feature for diagnostic purpose, showcasing integration with machine learning models. The app also features a dashboard with button navigation tabs for accessing section like health information, history, and profiles, with dynamic backend integration for retrieving news or prediction, and a focus on clean UI design.
Next is plan local deployment. In the first and second month, the team expand the Dermawan application by add a wide range of new skin diseases. Their condition to improve its ability to detect and provide information on various skin health issues. In third and fourth month, the Dermawan team identify pilot location and partner with Healthcare Institute to expand access to underserved community, offering free skin check to raise awareness and promote early detection of skin condition. In the fifth and sixth month, the team analyze user data and gathering feedback to identify areas for improvement. Now budgeting slides. For budgeting, we made a budget plan with the following table details. There are costs incurred, a budget for each team salary, a budget for research, a budget for marketing, and other budgets, and the total cost was $6,500.
Now go to slide opportunity.
The next one is about marketing strategy of Dermawan. We have 4 marketing strategy. That was a content-based marketing approach, article and social media post, interesting infographic, and short educational video, which is we will upload all of that in a social media platform. The next one is the comparison. We found apps that similar with Dermawan, it called AI Dermatology. We think the similar percentage is 40%. And analysis of the different or unique between AI Dermatologic and Dermawan is the news feature that AI Dermatologic doesn't have. And the second one is the explanation of the bacteria that cause skin disease that AI Dermatology also doesn't have.
Now, let's look at the SWOT analysis of Dermawan. First, there are 2 strengths including education about skin disease and their cause, and there are news features that focus on skin health. Secondly, there are 2 weaknesses including limited to only 8 types of skin disease and diagnosis results depend on the clarity of the upload image. Third, there are 2 opportunities including high demand for health service and potential collaboration with health institutions. The last one is threats including competition with similar applications in the market, challenges in building user trust, and increasingly tight digital health regulations.
So that was our presentation about our application Dermawan. If you guys interested with our application, please visit our repository. Thank you for the opportunity. Bye bye.